At first glance, you might think that you are looking to the Qutubiyya Mosque, which is located in the Red City of Marrakesh in Morocco. The Qutubiyya Mosque, which was founded during the rule of Almohad dynasty in 1147, is considered nowadays as one of the famous architectural monuments of the touristic city of Marrakesh, which attracts every year millions of visitors. However, we are, in fact, in the vicinity of the Moorish Mosque, as it is called here in the city of Kapurthala, in the state of Punjab, located in the northwest of India. Actually, the similarity between the two mosques cannot be mistaken. This video will enable us to get more acquainted with this architectural masterpiece that embodies the splendor of the Moroccan architecture, which has shown its luster in Africa and Europe before setting foot here in the Indian subcontinent. The Moorish Mosque was founded in the 1920s by the Maharaja Jagatjit Singh, the last ruler of the state of Kapurthala, which was then under the British rule. The Maharaja was inspired by the idea of building a mosque in India based on Moroccan architecture after his visit to the city of Marrakesh, during which he was fascinated by the beauty of Qutubiyya Mosque. The Maharaja decided then to reproduce the same engineering and design in building a similar mosque in Kapurthala, far away from the Moroccan Red City of Marrakesh by more than 8,000 kilometers. The joyful shape of the mosque is in great harmony with the Mughal style prevalent in South Asia, especially with its square-shaped minaret decorated with side windows and ornate arches crowned by symmetrical serrated balconies. The same distinction applies to the mosque octagonal dome, which carries Andalusian art with perfection in the distribution of shades and lights, thanks to the side windows. To the right of the mihrab, a semicircular niche, stands the minbar, pulpit, a masterpiece of finely carved white marble overlooking the prayer hall with its 12 steps, a piece of art that undoubtedly required a lot of ingenuity and mastery from the skilled artists brought in by the Maharaja from the National School of Art in Lahore.
सन 1994 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਉਰੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਡਿਊਟੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਉਰੇ ਮੁਹਾਫਿਜ਼ ਦੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਪੋਸਟਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਲੋਕ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਇਹ ਮਸਜਿਦ ਵਾਤਰਜ ਮਰਾਕਸ਼ ਬਹੁਕਮ ਵਾਲਾ हज़रत महाराजा जगजीत सिंह बहादुर जी हैं। इस मस्जिद की तामीर ऐन सन 1926 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਦੀ ਬੁਨਿਆਦ ਰੱਖੀ ਸੀ। सन 1930 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋਈ ਔਰ ਇਹਦੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨਮਾਜ਼ ਅਦਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 1 ਲੱਖ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਨਮਾਜ਼ ਅਦਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ।
The mosque is intended by the Muslims of Kapurthala as well as the residents of the neighboring villages to recite and study the Holy Quran and get closer to the Almighty God. The mosque has a garden with lush trees adorned with flowers of different colors and shapes, which reflects the diversity of religions and cultures that abound in Kapurthala. A cultural and religious richness which was also highlighted by Mr. Sunny Vishal, one of the notables of this city.
Today I'm at the Moorish Mosque, and this mosque has been built by Maharaja Kapurthala for his state subjects. Maharaja Kapurthala was a very secular person. He built places of worship for all his subjects. Kapurthala pre-independence was 65% Muslim population and 35% was the Hindu and the Sikh population. For his Muslim subjects, he built this mosque. He started building in 1926. It took 4 years to build this mosque.
The design of the mosque was carried out by a European engineer commissioned by the Maharaja, who tried as much as possible to make it a replica of the Qutubiyya Mosque, an architectural icon which connects indeed the Kingdom of Morocco and the Republic of India.
This city is created by the Honorable Maharaja Mr. Jagatjit Singh. He was the last ruler of Kapurthala. And when I talk about this Moorish Mosque is established by Mr. Jagatjit Singh. He was the last emperor, and this building was started in 1926 and it's completed in 1930.
Thus, the cultural edifice was able to stand and best witness here, in the middle of the South Asian region, on the nobility, elegance, and beauty of Moroccan architecture, which has always captivated the hearts and delighted the eyes.